fixing a smile that is hurting right now. Have we got a reason? Can we ever work it out? Breaking the heart that is healing right now. Have we got a remedy, or are we set to fail? I don't know why we cannot survive. And if this love right's gonna die, there is nothing I wanna say. Whoa. I don't wanna be in the way. I'm that of skin right now. I can hear the emptiness, but I don't wanna shout. I got a star that is falling. This love right's gonna die. There is nothing I wanna say. I don't know why